Drivers behind the line, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to match 115 over here on Archimedes, as 3 Red Alliance machines all race towards their Alliance reef, but only 2 pieces of coral land initially. There's our 3rd one coming up on level 4, and it's the 3rd. That was the 2nd one on level 4. It was the 3rd one on the total reef, and they close out Autonomous with yet another one there coming from Robotics. Early in the teleoperated period, Robotics will scoop up yet another level 4 score. Those worth 5 points here in teleop versus they were worth 7 in Autonomous, but it's still valuable contributions to the Red Alliance's current lead of 12 points. We'll see how that changes here as the Blue Alliance starts processing algae through. Loretto Lightning, our 3rd-year team out of Minnesota, 2nd-year team out of Minnesota, processing that algae through the field wall, 6 points apiece, and then the Rolling Thunder human player tries tossing them both up onto the barge net for the Red Alliance. Only one of them able to connect for 4 points of red score, but that's all right because their alliance now has a lead, in part due to the major construction project Robotics is leading over here alongside their Ontario friends, Naki Robotics. Naki, however, has a piece of coral stuck in that robot, and so they're kind of trying to dance around to get rid of it, but I suspect we'll see a pivot in their strategy later on. 96 points on the board for them, 83 for Blue. Blue fighting with a sea of algae in front of their coral station. There's the robot of Les Eagles over there from Quebec, finding a new route, actually an entire new side of the field as they race along and head to the bottom left corner of the field where they're trying to lock Robotics out of that coral station. So far unsuccessful. Robotics with a very powerful drivetrain, they're able to just push the defender out of the way. And the Golden Eagle will move to go find a new defense target. It's the 2935 machine of Naki Robotics, who has no game element in a playable position in their robot. They do still have the coral stuck in there. They're instead just hanging out here waiting for the sonar pings to get ready to help park and contribute to overall barge RP and endgame score. Still an 18-point lead over here on red. Robotics up in the air for 12 on a deep cage. Their alliance partners, Rolling Thunder, join them, 12 more. Blue Alliance with just 1 robot, airborne-ish. We'll see if it is airborne enough. And otherwise, that's a Red Alliance victory. 173 points to the Blue Alliance's 145. A 6 ranking point match there for the Red Alliance will help boost Robotics up from 9th into 7th. They are